So I am going to cook one of our household's favorite things, and that's whole chicken. We serve it as Sunday supper all the time. Tonight we are going to spin it on the grill using some briquette charcoal. We're going to baste it with brown butter. Anybody knows me knows how much I like brown butter, and I've got an herb basting brush for it. To start, truss the chicken with butcher twine to keep the legs and the wings in place while spinning on the rotisserie. After trussing the chicken, coat the chicken with a thin layer of good olive oil and season with the poultry rub. Next, wash and dry a head of broccoli and cut into florets. Cut 2 large lemons in half. Coat the broccoli florets in a thin coat of good olive oil and then season with my Tuffy Stone steak night seasoning. Place the seasoned whole chicken on the rotisserie skewer and secure. So I have got hot coals on both sides using briquette. I've got a drip pan in the middle. This is about a 3.5 pound chicken. We're gonna start to spin it until that skin starts to crisp up a little bit. Then we'll start hitting it with the herb basted brown butter. I'm without words. Damn it. That was good, man.